What's up mga choti? We have a new car. It's called Altis. It's made of Toyota, you know. We're gonna show it now. Nandito na tayo. Aking ipakita ng ating bagong sasakyan. Palit na muna. Itong aking favorite drag bike. Diba? Sorry nerd. At ang ito tong ang aming Altis. So, parang kamukha ng limousine, diba? Kasi ang favorite natin ito na sasakyan. Itong favorite ko sa lahat. Ito. No, pwede nga yayakapin to eh. Yun no. Itong tulod ro. Hindi natin makita ito. No, itong Altis namin eh. You know guys, this car, there's a lot of memories. We go to Talisayan, we go to Kalamkam Beach, and of course we go to Butuan City and Cagayan City, de Oro. There's a lot of memories. There's look like diba na. Ito my dog Butler. So when the guys is on yung plus. Ito si Butler parang. Ito ang aking swimming pool. Para nang luma kasi nahiyos to guys. Open your dirt. At ito tong mountain bike namin. You know, galing yung mapil. So really had 6 feet 2 in a concrete. No spot. Itong isa nakin na bike. Isa nakin bike. Ito malaki. Ang favorite ko yung drag bike na yun, no? Yung drag bike. At say hi to my sister Kana. Ang ating pagbabalik ngayon guys. Bye guys. Next for part 2.